Hello friends, welcome to Bright Tutorials. Today's topic is important formulas of differentiation. So let's start the session. First one is d by dx c is equal to 0. C is constant. Second one, d by dx x is equal to 1. Third one, d by dx 1 by x is equal to minus 1 divided by x square. Fourth one, d by dx root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Fifth one, d by dx kx is equal to k d into the bracket x divided by dx is equal to k in the bracket 1 equal to k. Here k is constant. Sixth one, d by dx x to the power n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Seventh one, d by dx a raised to x is equal to a raised to x into log a. Eighth one, d by dx e raised to x is equal to e raised to x. Ninth one, d by dx log x is equal to 1 by x. Next, 10th one, d by dx sin x is equal to cos x. 11th one, d by dx cos x is equal to minus sin x. 12th one, d by dx sec x is equal to sec x into tan x. 13th one, d by dx cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. 14th one, d by dx tan x is equal to sec square x. 15th one, d by dx cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. 16th one, d by dx sin inverse x is equal to 1 divided by root 1 minus x square. 17th one, d by dx cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 divided by root 1 minus x square. 18th one, d by dx tan inverse x is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square. 19th one, d by dx cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. 20th one, d by dx sec inverse x is equal to 1 divided by mod x into root x square minus 1. 21st one, d by dx cosec inverse x is equal to minus 1 divided by mod x into root x square minus 1. Next, 22, d by dx sin hx is equal to cos hx. 23, d by dx cos hx is equal to sin hx. 24, d by dx tan hx is equal to sec h square x. 25th, d by dx sec hx is equal to minus sec hx into tan hx. 26th one, d by dx cosec hx is equal to minus cosec hx into cot hx. 27th one, d by dx cot hx is equal to minus cosec h square x. 28th one, d by dx sin h inverse x is equal to 1 divided by root 1 plus x square. 29th one, d by dx cos h inverse x is equal to 1 divided by root x square minus 1. 13th one, d by dx tan h inverse x is equal to minus 1 divided by 1 minus x square. 31, d by dx cot h inverse x is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus x square. 32, d by dx sec h inverse x is equal to minus 1 divided by mod x into root 1 minus x square. Next, 33 d by dx cos x h inverse x is equal to minus 1 divided by mod x into root 1 minus x square. 34 d by dx u plus or minus v is equal to d by dx into u plus or minus d by dx v. 35 d by dx u into v is equal to u into dv divided by dx plus v into d into u divided by dx. 36 d by dx u by v is equal to v into d u divided by dx minus u into dv divided by dx. 37 d by dx u into v into w is equal to u into v into d in the bracket w divided by dx plus v into w into d in the bracket u divided by dx plus w into v u into d in the bracket v divided by dx. 38 d by dx sin 2x is equal to 2 cos 2x. Okay friends, still more competitive exams related information videos will be uploaded in next video. So please watch our channel and subscribe the channel. Press the bell button. Do like, share and comment. Thank you.